complete the chain. Cirrus, higher altitude snowflake clouds. Cumulonimbus, vertical extent in the sky, rolling clouds. Nimbostratus, low altitude, continuous rainfall. Altocumulus, medium altitude, floating clouds. Choose the correct word from the brackets and complete the sentence. The dash of air is dependent on the temperature of air. Vapor holding capacity. The amount of vapor in 1 cubic meter of air shows the dash. Absolute humidity. As dash is less in desert areas, the air is dry there. Relative humidity. Dash type of clouds are indicators of storms. Cumulonimbus. In a free environment, the dash of the vapor present in the atmosphere takes place around dust particles. Condensation. Differentiate between humidity and clouds. Humidity refers to the quantity of water vapor present in the atmosphere. Clouds refer to a collection of water vapor at a greater height in the sky. Humidity determines whether the air is dry or damp. Clouds depend on the process of condensation for their formation. Humidity can be classified into two types: absolute humidity and relative humidity. Clouds are divided into different types: high clouds, medium clouds, low clouds, and cumulonimbus clouds. Relative humidity and absolute humidity. It is expressed as a percentage of the amount of water vapor present in the air to the vapor holding capacity of the atmosphere at the same temperature and same volume. It is the measure of water vapor in 1 cubic meter of air. It is affected by geographic location and temperature of a particular region. It is influenced by the land and water distribution on Earth as well as seasonal changes. Relative humidity is expressed in a percentage. Absolute humidity is expressed in grams or kilograms per cubic meter. It is subject to change with the change in the amount of water vapor. It remains relatively constant. It contains an absolute measure of moisture in the atmosphere. Cumulus clouds and cumulonimbus clouds. Cumulus clouds are formed due to the vertical flow of air. When the vertical flow of the air increases, the cumulus clouds gradually transform into cumulonimbus clouds. Cumulus clouds appear huge and are dome-shaped. Cumulonimbus clouds appear like huge mountains and have an anvil-shaped top portion. These clouds are grey in color and are responsible for fair and pleasant weather. These are dark-colored clouds which cause thunder and lightning. These clouds are also called fair weather clouds. These clouds are also known as thunderheads. Answer the following questions. Why is the air in a region dry? Due to the low amount of the moisture in the air in a region is dry. How is humidity measured? The amount of water vapor in 1 cubic meter of air is the absolute humidity of the air. Absolute humidity is measured with the help of the following formula. Absolute humidity is equal to mass of water vapor upon volume of air. What are the prerequisites for condensation? High relative humidity and dew point temperature of the air are the prerequisites for condensation. What is a cloud? Write its types. A visible mass of fine particles of ice and water accumulated around the dust particles in the air at high altitude is called a cloud. The types of clouds are high clouds. Clouds at an altitude of 7,000 meter to 14,000 meter are considered as high clouds. Cirrus, cirrostratus and cirrocumulus are high clouds. Medium clouds. Clouds at an altitude of 2,000 meter to 7,000 meter are considered as medium clouds. Autostratus and autocumulus are medium clouds. Low clouds. Clouds at an altitude of less than 2,000 meter are considered as low clouds. Stratocumulus, stratus, Nimbostratus, cumulus, and cumulonimbus are low clouds. Which type of clouds give rain? Nimbostratus and cumulonimbus type of clouds give rain. On what does the percentage of relative humidity depend? The percentage of relative humidity depends on the absolute humidity and vapor holding capacity of the air at a given temperature. Give geographical reasons. Clouds float in the sky. Condensation occurs around minute particles in the atmosphere. Condensed water or snow particles in the clouds are very fine and almost weightless, and so clouds float in the air. The proportion of relative humidity changes according to altitude. The temperature is found to be comparatively high in areas at sea level. Due to the high temperature, the moisture holding capacity of air near sea level is found to be high. Therefore, the humidity of the air at sea level is comparatively high. The temperature is found to be comparatively low in areas at high altitude. Due to low temperatures, the moisture holding capacity of air at high altitudes is found to be low. Therefore, the humidity of the air at high altitudes is comparatively low. In this way, the proportion of relative humidity changes according to the altitude. Air becomes saturated. At a certain temperature, the moisture holding capacity of air gets fulfilled and it becomes equal to the proportion of moisture present in it. At this state, no more moisture can be absorbed by the air. Thus, the air becomes saturated. Cumulus clouds change into cumulonimbus clouds. Cumulus clouds are found between 500 meter and 6000 meter altitude. They are mostly formed due to the vertical flow of air. Sometimes the vertical expanse of the cumulus clouds increases, which leads to the formation of huge mountains like cumulonimbus clouds. Thus, cumulus clouds change into cumulonimbus clouds. Use of rain power. In which season is humidity generally more? Humidity is generally more in monsoon. How does the humidity affect the human body? The rate of respiration and sweating increases due to humidity. Observe how humidity affects the food materials at a home and write about the same. Due to humidity, fungus flourish on food materials at a home and it gets spoiled. Is there any relationship between formation of fungus and humidity? There is a direct relationship between formation of fungus and humidity. Humidity supports the growth of fungus. How is the early or late drying up of clothes related to humidity? As the moisture holding capacity is found to be high in low humidity air, it leads to early drying up of clothes. As the moisture holding capacity is found to be low in high humidity air, it leads to late drying up of clothes. Question number 6. Solve the following is on next part of video.